The latest mid-range offering from Sony, the Xperia 10 Mark VI. The Xperia 10 series has been known for its impressive battery life, but what makes the Mark VI stand out? Let's explore everything you need to know in our full review of the Sony Xperia 10 VI. The Xperia 10 VI doesn't stray far from the design language of its predecessor. It's a generational refresh rather than a radical redesign. What remains consistent is its compact, lightweight form factor. The phone is relatively tall and thin, thanks to its unique 21:9 aspect ratio display. Both the back and frame are made of plastic, just like last year's model, but don't let that deter you. This construction choice helps keep the phone lightweight and easy to handle. Additionally, the Xperia 10 VI boasts impressive ingress protection, rated at IP65 IP68, ensuring it can withstand dust and water exposure. The display is a key aspect where the Xperia 10 VI holds its ground. It features a 6.1-inch OLED panel with a 1080p resolution and the distinctive 21:9 aspect ratio. This makes it ideal for cinematic video content, providing a more immersive viewing experience. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Vitas, offering robust resistance against scratches and drops. However, there's one major area where the Xperia 10 VI falls behind its competitors: the refresh rate. Sony has stuck with a 60 Hz refresh rate, while many mid-range phones now offer smoother, high refresh rate displays. Despite this, the panel performs well in terms of brightness, reaching up to 660 nits manually and over 1000 nits in auto mode, ensuring good visibility even in bright conditions. Audio enthusiasts will appreciate that Sony has retained the 3.5mm headphone jack on the Xperia 10 VI. This is increasingly rare in modern smartphones, making it a notable feature for those who prefer wired headphones. The phone also features dual front-facing speakers. These have been improved from the previous model, delivering louder sound with no distortion and clear mids and highs. This setup is great for media consumption and gaming. Under the hood, the Xperia 10 VI comes with a new Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, an upgrade from the Snapdragon 695 found in the previous generation. This change brings noticeable improvements in performance. In benchmarks, the Xperia 10 VI holds its own in the mid-range segment, though it's not the absolute top performer. Thermal management has also been enhanced, ensuring the phone remains relatively cool under load. This stability is particularly evident during prolonged use, such as gaming sessions or extensive multitasking. One of the standout features of the Xperia 10 series has been battery life, and the Mark VI continues this tradition. It houses a 5000 mAh battery, which, in our tests, provided nearly 14 hours of active use. This performance is competitive and ensures you can get through a full day on a single charge with ease. However, there's a downside: the phone does not come with a charger in the box, and its charging capabilities are somewhat unclear. Using a proper adapter, it took about half an hour to charge from 0 to 36%, and a full charge took nearly 2 hours. This isn't particularly fast, especially compared to some other mid-range devices. Moving to the cameras, Sony has streamlined the setup on the Xperia 10 VI. It now features a dual camera system on the back, down from the triple camera setup of its predecessor. The main camera is a 48MP sensor, paired with an 8MP ultra-wide lens. While losing the telephoto lens might seem like a downgrade, the main and ultra-wide cameras have seen improvements. The main camera captures contrasty images with saturated colors, though they can sometimes appear a bit unnatural. Low-light performance has notably improved, offering more detailed and accurate color reproduction compared to the previous model. Thanks to the new chipset, the Xperia 10 VI can now record 4K video, which is a significant upgrade. Videos are detailed with decent dynamic range, though the overly contrasty look persists. The ultra-wide camera also delivers better performance, especially in low-light conditions, where it captures more detail and better contrast. However, the selfies taken with the 8MP front camera show some issues with natural skin tones and limited dynamic range. The Xperia 10.6 runs a near-stock version of Android 14, with some minor customizations from Sony. One noticeable change is the compact square quick toggles in the notification shade, replacing the larger ones found in pure Android. Some features from Sony's flagship models are missing, such as the Game Enhancer, but the multi-window switch and S-Sense, which allows for easy access to app shortcuts, are still present. Sony has committed to 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, ensuring the phone remains up to date with the latest features and security improvements. So, where does that leave us with the Sony Xperia 10.6? It's a solid mid-range phone that brings a unique form factor with its tall, 21:9 aspect ratio display and excellent ingress protection. The improvements in the chipset and battery life, along with better software support, make it a compelling option. However, there are some drawbacks. The 60Hz refresh rate is less smooth compared to competitors offering higher refresh rates, and the display has a noticeable color shift. Despite these issues, if you're looking for a reliable mid-range phone with a good balance of features and performance, the Xperia 10.6 is worth considering. Thanks for watching our full review of the Sony Xperia 10.6. If you're looking for alternatives, check out our reviews of the Samsung Galaxy A55 and the Nothing Phone 2. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think of the Xperia 10.6 in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.